The AMG2034 rack is designed for constricted 19-inch rack space to provide ease of management of your DIN rail mounted devices. The 2034 rack features sliding rails to allow easy access at any time in service without disruption to your network. In comparison to a DIN rail mounted solution, where access to devices has to be obtained in confined spaces and isn't always possible, the ease of access on the 2034 allows for removal of devices without disruption. The 2034 also has an integrated cable management system, keeping your cable instruction neat and tidy. A standard DIN rail rack either has to rely on rack enclosed cable management, or in the case that sidearms aren't available, cables would have to be routed behind, creating a more difficult situation. The 2034 in this example comes with two power supplies, an IEC connection at the back with locking line cord, and separate 12 and 56 volt inputs, allowing for resilient power inputs for high availability. The other benefit of the 2034 rack is the space saving. Because the power supplies are integrated into the unit with the 12 and 56 volt rails available at the top of the units, there's no need for additional power supplies within the DIN rail, comparing that to a standard DIN rail system where power supplies have to take up space within your enclosure. This allows for greater density of devices within your rack systems. Because the 2034 operates with standard DIN rail, it's able to supply and house not just AMG products, but any 12 or 56 volt powered device that's mountable on a DIN rail. The AMG 2034 is the only pull-out and retractable rack in the market, making it an excellent space saver for ease of use within confined spaces.